Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So before I get started and show you how I made my flaxseed and honey retwist gel, I wanted to show you how my hair turned out. This is the day after. It was a really light, pretty retwist. I really liked it. My hair felt moisturized. It wasn't sticky or anything at all. These are all the supplies I'll be using to make my flaxseed gel. The container was huge and it was super cheap. I think I only paid like $10 for it. I wasn't expecting it to be so big, but I'm not mad at it. It'll probably last me forever, but I'll make sure to link everything in the description box below because I got everything from Amazon. I know the pantyhose probably seems super random, but we're gonna use it at the end to help strain the flaxseed gel so we can make sure that none of the seeds get through. The mesh is really gonna help with that since it's like really tiny holes. Once you get your flax seeds to a boil, make sure you just bring it down to a nice simmer to maintain that heat, and then just occasionally stir. I stirred probably every like 5 minutes just to make sure the seeds didn't stick to the pot, but it was pretty simple. So I had a pair of chopsticks, so I decided to use one of the sticks because I got this recipe from a YouTuber. Her name is Locs. Check her page out. Her locks are super beautiful. But anyway, I noticed that she used the stick in her video, so I did the same thing. Don't be worried about the gel looking super watery when you finish, because as it cools, it'll thicken. So it'll be the perfect consistency once you transfer it into your new container and mix it with the honey. Be prepared to pour out the flax seeds immediately. You don't need to let it cool or anything like that. Trust me, I've watched plenty of videos where people had hella fouls. So just be ready to pour it into your strainer while it's super duper hot. I literally maybe was off for like 30 seconds while I put the pantyhose on the container. Now, she said she added the honey because from experience, she said with the flaxseed gel, it gave it a firmer hold and added a nice shine to her hair. So I just went ahead with her recipe and added the honey to it. And this is my first time making this gel and trying it on my hair, so I really wouldn't know the difference. It came out nicely, so I'll just continue to go ahead and do it. Now you can go ahead and use this gel immediately or refrigerate it and use it within 2 weeks. I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!